ประคัดในโดนอีกชน
yeah.
So are you gonna vlog?
Not today, but not now.
When?
After dinner.
After?
Dinner. I'm gonna do after dinner.
Okay.
So yeah, after dinner, and yeah, I'm gonna vlog. And tomorrow my dad is gonna go away, and they're gonna do a movie. They're gonna give the camera to me so I can vlog, and that's all I know. Right now,
What are you gonna vlog about?
I'm gonna vlog about. I don't really know yet because I haven't planned it out yet. But I think I will know later. Because yeah.
You're gonna vlog about the room and all, right?
Yeah. Of course.
You're gonna vlog about the room, the sitting room, the bedroom, me, mom, Putia.
And of course, vlog about my slime.